episode of TBL in Mom's Kitchen. Yes, I am still in Mom's Kitchen, and today we are going to be making pozole. Pozole is a traditional Mexican dish, kind of like a soup. This one is actually super simple and really delicious, so let's get started. For this pozole, you're gonna need two kinds of chilies. It's gonna be chile ancho and chile guajillo, and you can find these at your grocery store. I found these at HEB here in Houston. I was able to make this dish because while I was shopping with Mom, I was able to find the dried chilies and basically all of the ingredients that I need to make this pozole at HEB. It was absolutely amazing to be able to find everything. So we were able to get everything for this soup, and I was so happy with it that, you know how Google is, send me a message, hey, how did you think was HEB? So I gave them a 5-star review. I did, yes I did. I gave them a 5-star review, and the store manager from that HEB actually replied to my review and said that they would love to see the concoction that I was gonna make with the ingredients that I got at their HEB. So here it is. And this video is not sponsored by HEB, but I am a HEB shopper. They always have the best ingredients, like I said. That's why we are making this delicious soup. So HEB, thank you for having all these ingredients in hand. And like I said, this video is not sponsored by HEB. However, if HEB would like to sponsor me, or would like to sponsor Tim Blue Lane or an episode of Tim Blue Lane in my kitchen, let me know in the comments or shoot us an email because I would love to work with you. So let's get this ingredient started. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need. We are going to put the ingredients together in the pot, and I'm gonna show you how everything works. Okay guys, here's the ingredients. We have about 4 pounds of pork. You can use pork loin, you can use pork shoulder, you can use pork butt. Pretty much any kind of pork, just chop it up into little pieces. We're gonna use half an onion, some garlic, a couple of cloves to taste, some bay leaves. I have probably about 6 or 7 guajillo chilies. Also with the anchos, I have about 4 of those, and some fresh oregano, and of course the hominy. Okay friends, Mom is going to help me, thankfully, since this is TBL in Mom's Kitchen, and we're gonna start with browning the pork, and I'm gonna show you how to do that because Mom is gonna brown it and I'm gonna... We're gonna season with some chicken bouillon. This is basically a salt seasoning, so season to taste.
Pork in a large pot. Add garlic, onion, bay leaves, salt, cilantro, que nunca le he puesto cilantro, and 13 cups of water. Bring it to a boil and heat for 30 minutes. Las venas.
Now in the pot we have our pork, our dried chilies, our onion, garlic, and our bay leaf, and we're gonna cook this over medium heat, probably about 2 hours until the meat is tender.
See, I'm happy.
After you have taken your chilies out from the pot from being hydrated, you need to place them in the blender along with the garlic and some chicken bouillon and half of an onion and blend. After you have blended the mixture, you will need a strainer to strain it and put it into the pot, and you will need to do this to remove the impurities from the mixture and having just chunks of chilies inside of your soup. All you need to serve this dish is going to be some shredded lettuce, some radishes, and some oregano, and just place those on top and you are ready to eat. Serve this with some tostadas and sour cream that I also found at HEB. Oh, that looks delicious. Yummy.
I have to show you.
Quiet in the set. Okay guys, we're getting ready to eat. This is going to be a fabulous meal. As you can see, I have changed clothes because I do not recommend this eating with white, and I'm going to show you how to serve this.
El maíz está hasta abajo.
This soup is absolutely delicious. Don't forget to leave me a comment and a like on this video.
Mi grasa. Está lista. We always, the tradition in Mexico is to put chile piquin.
Let's taste it. You guys can see, but my family's behind the camera. They're camera shy. I'm not gonna show, but they said that it's delicious. So this is the first time I'm gonna be tasting it. So let's see. I hope I don't burn myself. Mmm. Wow. That's really good.
We could put more chili.
That's really good, you guys. I recommend this recipe. I'm gonna confess, this is the first time that I have made pozole, and of course I'm Mexican. I had to run it through my family to see if the recipe was worth making, and it was. It's absolutely delicious. Try it. If you try it, let me know if you made it. Leave it down in the comments below. I'm gonna go because this is delicious. I have to go eat. Bye. The water. Except when the lens falls off.
Right?
Quiet in the set. ¿Segura? Sí. Okay. The hardships of a YouTuber.